Ever wondered how Chinese families manage to save so much, even with modest incomes? Today, we'll uncover the practical habits and mindset that make Chinese money management so effective, and how you can apply them to your life. Multi-generational living in China, it's common for multiple generations to live under one roof. This reduces housing costs, utility bills, and helps with childcare. It's more than just cultural, it's financial teamwork. If living with family is an option, it can drastically reduce expenses and boost savings for everyone. Frugal mindset on spending. Many Chinese people are known for spending only when necessary. They prioritize value over trends. Impulse buying is rare. Every purchase is considered carefully. Adopt a "do I really need this?" habit. Be intentional, not impulsive. High savings rate culture. The average Chinese household has a savings rate of over 30%, compared to under 10% in many Western countries. Saving is taught from childhood. It's almost a patriotic act. Even low-income families make saving a priority. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense. Automate it if you can. Education as investment. Education is viewed as a long-term financial strategy. Families often pool resources to pay for quality schooling, believing it will create better earning potential in the future. See learning not as a cost, but as a tool to build wealth later. Home cooking and simplicity. Eating out is reserved for special occasions. Home-cooked meals and market-bought ingredients are the norm. This leads to massive savings without sacrificing quality of life. Cook more at home. It saves money and gives you more control over your health. Recycle culture. From reusing containers to mending clothes, Chinese households find ways to extend the life of everything. They buy less, waste less, and save more. Don't rush to replace. See if you can fix, reuse, or go without. Community-based lending and saving. In some areas, traditional hui or rotating savings groups are still used. Small groups pool money monthly and take turns receiving a lump sum. This builds discipline and trust, without interest. Consider joining or forming a trusted savings accountability group. It's not about copying another culture. It's about learning smart habits that work. The Chinese approach to money is rooted in discipline, long-term thinking, and community. Start small. Apply just one habit, and you'll begin to see real change. Drop it in the comments, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more strategies like this. And let's grow together.